of votes in North Kashmir. I am through this press conference appealing to his good self that maybe it's time that they support us in North Kashmir. And as I have said earlier on, कि हम अनकंडीशनली सपोर्ट करेंगे बाकी जगहों पर, बिलखुसूस श्रीनगर में वो पार्टी जो हमें लगे कि चैलेंज दे सकती है, और वहाँ हमें लगता है कि वो चैलेंज दे सकते हैं. लेकिन वो दैट्स वन पार्ट ऑफ इट दैट वी इंटेंड to support them irrespective of the decision they take here, but we would make this appeal to them कि division of votes ना करें, let NT-NC votes together वो इकट्ठे आ जाएं, और जो mandate of people है which is to send a replacement, वो dream जो है पूरा हो जाए. So that was the whole idea. So इसके related अगर आपको कोई पूछना है, because I want the press conference today at least, I'm holding one more after some time, but आज की press conference is basically meant to seek support, appeal to Mr. Altaf Bukhari कि वो जो अपनी पार्टी है वो हमें नॉर्थ कश्मीर में कैंडिडेट ना उठाएं, वहाँ फ्रेगमेंटेशन ऑफ वोट ना. Tabulations have taken place with some leaders of अपनी party, and we thought that we'll keep that now transparent. That's why we are doing it. I'm open to anybody, but as on date, I want to restrict this to अपनी पार्टी, बिकॉज उनके साथ हमारा कन्फेबुलेशन हुआ. 100% yes. We have already conveyed to them that we would be, because हम नहीं, whether वो करे ना करे, हमने पहले ही बोला था. अगर आप पहले हमने बताया था कि जब हमें लगेगा तो irrespective of that जो है हम.
Sir, in coming days, the combination.
ये once they support us, then वो तो ग्राउंड पर बाकी लीडर्स ने करना है. वो तो फिर of course when they support उनके लोग, तो their leaders will come and support us. So if that's what you, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. वो अब उन्हें इतनी बार बोला है, तो अब वो this loss is relevance, उसमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. और अगर बीजेपी एक for example if it's a stigma, then that they are not untouched by that stigma. If anything, Umar Abdullah has been the pioneering person in that stigma, and at a very high level. So there is one was the chief minister, so foreign minister, फिर chief minister, मैं पशुपालन मंत्री, मेरे से लेकिन पालन चेक रुपया ही लगा. So it is that hardly, that does not matter. देखो, और एक चीज आपको मैं बता दूं, that when you also shoot off questions at us, now 71% votes against NC. Are you telling me they are all stooges of BJP? They are all bought by BJP? Is BJP so strong in Kashmir that indirectly they have 71% votes? So when Mr. Umar Abdullah attacks us, he has to know that we represent people. He is attacking them, not us. So let him stop humiliating the people of Kashmir and let him come and attack us on issues. Because whatever he does, maybe he is doing it unintentionally, but they end up humiliating the people of Kashmir. Stooges, sellout, traitors. They're talking about people.
71%.
71%. ये 2019 का है. और बीजेपी कौन सी बड़ी तोप है यहाँ? They've got 1.2% vote in North Kashmir and 0.2% votes in Srinagar. Statistically, the votes they got is insignificant because we lost by 6%. So in the North Kashmir game, statistically, to be significant, you need at least 6% votes. Only then you can make a difference. But statistics, I hope he understands. So मगर ये जो है, or he can seek help. But statistics is simple statistics है that बार-बार, you're actually putting in people's minds कि क्या था चीज़ है तुम चुकुमता that they are वो कोई तोपे ऐसी कोई नहीं. You have to at least score in